we're moving over from the historical old qualifications from the SETAs. The QCTO, which is the occupational qualifications, they require more practical, more workplace exposure, experience for the learners. So they have three components. They have a knowledge module, they have the practical and the workplace evidence. So it is quite a big undertaking, and they do require that you do work at a workplace that is approved by the QCTO. Now in this, the knowledge, it's like a normal class you study and you do the theory part. Then the practical evidence is something that either needs to be done, obviously practically, but it cannot be simulated. So it has to be either real workplace or real practicals that you do in the workplace, or then it is also something that you need to go out and do, like welding or make bricklaying or something like that. Then obviously workplace experience is a logbook that you need to keep, where you have to spend up a minimum of 3 months plus at a physical workplace, and this workplace need to have all the requirements of the QCTO, which is separate from our as training providers requirements. The workplace also needs to have different requirements.